cold start the old 97. She needs injector cups, injector O-rings, a few injectors rebuilt again, I'm sure. I'm letting the glow plugs run full 2 cycles before I attempt to turn the starter. It's got a stand core glow plug relay on it, and it's 7 good glow plugs. She's been sitting here for probably 2 months since I started it up. Got a flat tire. I need her to run some firewood, so we're gonna cold start it and see how she does. 7.3s, straight 6, 7.3, 472, carbed, 86 F250 badass plow truck, Bigfoot cruiser, 7.3 van, rust Bondo wagon. Looking for another van right now, body and frame. Here we go. That's one. I'll run the glow plugs through a second cycle. Go. Let's see. So even though the wait to start light will go out, you can clearly see by the voltage gauge that the glow plugs are indeed still running. They can run for, I think, 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, something like that. Woo! Gonna choke us all out. One of the best trucks I ever owned. I love that thing. So why is it so smoky? Well, because this truck was beat to shit when I got it. The reason I got this truck is because it was not running. It was a concrete truck, Foreman's, and he beat the crap out of it. They replaced a couple pistons once or twice. It had a bunch of work done to it, and the injector cups have been stretched out, so my swamp injectors keep getting chewed up. What happens is the copper crust washer doesn't seal to the coolant cup, and the coolant cup doesn't seal to the head, and the O-rings get blown out, and then the combustion gases work their way up through your injector, and so every few years a few injectors need to be rebuilt. But Swamp's injection is now out of business, so I'll have to find somebody else to help me out. I'm about to refresh this whole truck, so this is kind of a before video. We're also going to build a badass 4-wheel drive van using that 7.3, 72,000 miles on it. I just acquired this straight 6 full-size Bronco plow truck. Gonna get that sucker going this season. I gotta get the window go down. Even with all her problems, she still runs good enough to haul rock and firewood and big heavy boats going into storage. So oil pressure's good. Sounds pretty good for a cold start. Alternator's charging. We'll let her warm up, pump up the tires, and put her to work. Got her set on a high idle. Drove her around by the shop. You see the shackle reversal. Runs great. Wow, smoke cleared right up. truck's got a 99 intercooler intake spider, charge pipes. It's got a 6.0 intercooler. Got a recent Boss Ace Top. Still running a mechanical fuel pump, but with a fuel bowl delete and a remote filter. Turbo's been upgraded. Everything's been upgraded. Super reliable. I own 2 engines, 7.3s and 5.0s. Good old OBS.